Hi guys, wagwan. This is your girl Janelle. Welcome back to my channel. Please remember to like, share, comment. You know what? Subscribe. So back to my throat. I know why my throat is hurting me. You see this weather? It's so messed up. Yeah? Outside is so warm. Have a little bit of sunshine. Yeah. But once you take off that jacket, yeah? You know you're going sick. Don't trust, yeah, this weather in Britain. This weather will sick you. I might be kill you too. You can't just follow this weather. You have to dress properly. But guess what? I had my coat on, so I don't know what happened. Maybe I had it done or something. I don't know. Anyway, bye. For another early start. Don't worry, no, I'm not complaining. I'm tired, but not complaining because I love the hours. I'm grateful for the overtime. More money in my pocket. Anyway, I'm getting ready for bed and I'm gonna watch. But before I fall asleep, I want to watch Married at First Sight. The question is, would you marry someone at first sight? Are you watching the program? Because I don't know how these people do it. But kudos to them. But have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Hi guys, it's your girl Janet. Welcome back to my channel. Please remember to like, share, comment, and do the thing and subscribe. Well, today is Monday and I just came in back from work. I'm in my all black, my work clothes. So work was okay, but to tell you the truth, it's like I'm running on let me adjust this. That's better. It's like I'm running on zero energy until my throat, oh my god, is killing me. I took honey and lime, rum. This for sore throat, everything, because you ever have this and it's like it's so bothering, it is so annoying. It's like you just want to just get rid of this. It is so crazy, so crazy. I'll get back to that call. It is so crazy, but you know, this early morning though, it's kicking my butt to the brim. But I love to go work early. But I'm so tired, and I get to come home early as well. Although this is not early because after work I went to do a little bit of shopping, and that is the thing too. I can't do my normal shopping that I always do. I have to like go this place, pick up a little bit, go this place, pick up something else. But this week I'm all early from Monday. I'm not working on Tuesday. I'll tell you about that. Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday all early. I'm grateful for the overtime in the store. And the advantage of working early is that when it touched like 2 o'clock and the shop getting busy, I'm gone because I finish at 1:30. So the shop gets kind of busy like from 1 onwards, because where the shop is, it's like a tourist area, so all the tourists comes there because them just like for shop. Them just like for shop at my shop. So on Tuesday, I've got to go to a funeral. Everything is not red and roses and you laugh, and there's some sorrows as well. So on Tuesday, I'm going to a funeral which is a bit far away because I live in London and the funeral is far away. It's my aunt. My mom's sister passed away. May her soul rest in peace. And I haven't been down that side. It's like about 4-hour drive depending on traffic, I believe. So that means it's another early to wake up. So some of her family or her husband's family, I don't really know them. So going to the funeral, I will get to meet everyone. So I'm going with my family. My husband is driving because this girl can't drive that far. So I'm going to represent everyone because all of my immediate family, mom and brother and sister and that they live somewhere else. So I'll be going to represent everyone. But you know what? This is a 2024, so it would be live streaming. If it was back in the days, nothing like that. But I guess they just have to wake up early, so they'll get to watch the funeral. So that is it. I feel so sad for our children, but she was ill for a while, so I guess you can't really get, what should I say, they know what the outcome is gonna be, but you know, it's still a very sad moment. So may her soul rest in peace. Because it's so far away, I was gonna wear jeans to the funeral. Is that bad? I did get the jeans ready. It's black, but I believe I might switch it up and wear a dress. So I've got this bag, so cute. It's from the Rita Ora collection, so I'll take this because I want to put my camera in it, because I might make a bit of vlog, and sometimes when I do it on my phone, I don't know what's going on, but it's not transferring so on my laptop. So this is the dress I'm gonna wear with this blazer. I've got a choice between this short blazer as well, so it depends on what. Can you see properly? Like this short blazer or this long one with this dress and my new shoes. So it depends on what looks good in my eyes, then I'll make the choice, I guess. So that is it for today. So I'm so tired, I can't even think, but my weekend was amazing. My friend got married and it was so good. It was super good. But now let me go get a shower, put my backside down on the sofa for a bit, have something to eat, and then I see what I see, do what I do. So peace out. I see you when I see ya. So this is my outfit, my bag. I went for this jacket.
What a privilege to carry everything to God in prayer. And oh, what peace we often forfeit
Is May Joy Williams was born 20th September 9th.
Oh, right, okay. I'll tell you what we do. Yeah, just bring it up, yeah. Yeah.
Is May Joy Williams was born 20th September 1949. Second child to Alma Ford and 10th child to Franklin Williams.
I developed MALIAPHOBia. MALIAPHOBia is the fear of false hair. Don't get back to me now, I'm just telling you my syndrome. So as a child, because of my traumatic experience now, if you don't tell me it's false, we're all right. Anyhow I know it's false, don't come by me. You can imagine as a pastor praying for people at the altar. Give the usher a laugh after me. So Pandora was told, do not open the box. So as you do, what did Pandora do? Open the box. All of the ills of the world, as mythology tells us, escaped. The sicknesses, the disease, escaped into the world. And as the grief of Pandora started to radiate through, as she looked inside the box, there was one small creature left in the box.
Oh, it was a long ride. Plus, it was raining. Oh my God, it rained all day. And my journey was so long. But thanks to my hubby, I need to thank you for driving me there and back again. And supporting this girl. Keep it up. So guys, I just came back from my auntie's funeral. It was a sad occasion, but then I got caught up with loads of family that I have never met before. So I hope my aunt sleep in peace, and what can I say? Just sleep in peace. But now I've got to get all this off and got to do some cooking and get ready for bed and then work early in the morning tomorrow. So peace. See ya. Hi guys. So today is Wednesday, and went to work early, coming from a long trip yesterday. Cause remember yesterday, Tuesday, I went to my aunt's funeral. So, and big up her husband for doing a good job, cause she got a proper send off. And yeah, got up 5 o'clock this morning after that long drive. But work was so busy today. Where you work? Have you ever been having a visit from head office and everyone just going in a frenzy? They're working more than you should. Well, that happened to us today. And you know what? The visit was like for 5 minutes. And we just have to be working for like a 5 minutes. 5 minute, visit. Oh my god. So now I'm prepping my hair for tomorrow for another early start. Don't worry, I'm not complaining. I'm tired, but not complaining because I love the hours. I'm grateful for the overtime. More money in my pocket. Anyway, I'm getting ready for bed and I'm gonna watch. But before I fall asleep, I want to watch Married at First Sight. The question is, would you marry someone at first sight? Are you watching the program? Because I don't know how these people do it. But kudos to them. But when you watch all the series, most of these marriages don't even last. After the show wrap and finish, that's it. You don't see no one. Maybe it might be just one couple who lasted for a little while and then that's it. They don't even last. Oh my god. But you know what? It's so fascinating that I love watching it. So, because you wonder how these people do it. It's very intriguing. Very, 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 very. So, no. I'm gonna get ready for bed. Although it's like, it's just 7:30. But you know what? When you wake, you have to wake up early. You have to go to bed early. But would you work on night shift? Because you know that people who work on night shift, the money is better than day shift people. Maybe I'll try it and see how it goes, even for one night. Although this girl like her bed and her home at night, but I can't even sleep in the day. That's the thing. But the money is better than. Uh-oh, you fell over. But the money is better. But anyway, I'll see if I vlog tomorrow. So peace out and I'll see ya later. Another question before it just came in my mind. Do you think these people married for real because they want love, or they're marrying for fame because they want to be on TV to get all these brand deals and stuff like that and make some extra money? I don't know. What do you think? Look at my brows. I'm using, when I Google it says coconut oil will grow my eyebrow. I'm trying it because I need it to get bushy so I can line it up properly, because I'm starting to do my brows by myself. I don't trust no one. The only person I trust is myself. If it's even spoiled, it's down to me. Anyway, see ya, good night. Well, go on, my people. Well, today is Friday. I thank God for seeing another Friday. I just finished work. I didn't vlog yesterday because there was nothing interesting yesterday, but I want to close off this vlog properly. So yesterday was Thursday, went to work as usual, same shift. So today is Friday. It's my last day of overtime. So tomorrow, Saturday, would be my normal shift. So thank God for that overtime. At least I make a little bit of change. And work was okay. I know I've been complaining about being tired, but it's the morning. It's the early rising, man. To get up early in the morning, it's crazy, but I like to finish early, so what may I complain about? Anyway, so yesterday when I came home, I just of a bath. I didn't even cook dinner. I just went straight to bed. So now I'm feeling a bit tired, so I've put some clothes in the washing machine and I've just had something, so I'm gonna catch like a little 5 minutes nap before I get up and do anything. So by the time I get up to like look about like dinner for me and my boy, the washing would be like finished, so I can get up and finish my day for tomorrow, because tomorrow I'm going back to my normal shift, but it's not early. I start mid-shift, so that's fine. And then next week is ordinary. Back to school I go. So if you reach this far in the vlog, thank you for watching. And if you're new, just hit that button and support the girl and subscribe and keep it going, because I don't know what's going on with YouTube. But you know what? As it says, it is what it is. So see you in another vlog. Peace. Before every day I go to work, I said, I'm not gonna buy anything. I'm gonna come home with no bag of shopping. But today I bought these, because these was on sale, if you can see it. But they were only 50p, so that's fine. That's a baggie. I'll find something to put them in, because I like to sorry, do storage and put away stuff. So that's all. Just 50p. I think that's a bargain. Come on.